This video will show you how to back up WhatsApp from iPhone to Google Drive. Whether you want to back up just media, single chat, or all WhatsApp data. Method 1. Back up WhatsApp from iPhone to Google Drive via Save to Photo. First, you should ensure that you have enabled Media Auto Download. Go to WhatsApp Settings, Chats. Turn on Save to Photos. Then go to Storage and Data. Set Auto Download Quality and whether to allow download under both Wi-Fi and cellular. Next, open Google Drive on your iPhone and log into your account. Click the plus icon. Upload file. Photos and videos. Enter WhatsApp album, where auto-downloaded media is stored. Select and upload. Method 2. Back up WhatsApp from iPhone to Google Drive via Export Chat. Go to WhatsApp Settings, Chats, Export Chat, choose a chat. Attach media. Then upload to Google Drive. Open Google Drive to have a check. Method 3. Back up WhatsApp from iPhone to Google Drive via MagFone WhatsApp Transfer. Install and launch MagFone WhatsApp Transfer on your computer. Connect your iPhone to the computer. Click WhatsApp, Backup, Start Backup. Wait for several minutes. Click Done. All your WhatsApp data has been backed up. Then go to Export Stack. Click Export to Computer to export the WhatsApp backup to your computer. Log in to Google Drive on web. Click New. Folder Upload. Choose the WhatsApp backup file and click Upload. Now your WhatsApp is backed up to Google Drive.